Hello and good afternoon. Another video on a Stihl chainsaw. This is a 08S with chain brake. It has the chain brake, yeah. It's a 55cc chainsaw. It has the 47 millimeter piston, not the 49. The 49 is 60 cc's, so it will make 60 cc's. 17 inch bar and chain, a brand new old stock Oregon, solid nose bar, 404 chain, brand new exhaust muffler. These ones are for TS 350. I have another one here in good usable condition, but I said I'll put that one because it looks better, is new. Yeah, okay. So a couple of features: on off switch, easy to work with. Choke on, choke off. Air filter here is just 1 second. You undo this, and the air filter, it's a cartridge. It's a mesh style, yeah. The same ones are used on 07S chainsaws, but on those ones there are two filters, one each side, and the hood is coming off like this. Is very nice design on 07S. Yeah, so this one is with points ignition. What else I can say? Chain brake works. The clutch is with 3 shoes and that brake pad material. Easy, simple throttle. Yeah, it's all aluminium. Old chainsaw, but they are nice. They are okay. I like them. I'll switch over and start it. Hello everyone. I know it's Sunday, and but well, I'm not doing anything that bad. Okay, on. I had it running, so no need choke. Just a nice simple chainsaw. Simple, not that simple. Looks simple in design, but still quite complicated. What was that? The oil reservoir is on the clutch cover, included on the clutch cover, and yeah, it has a pump inside. These are the screws for the pump, and um, the clutch itself has a nut with a little pin or splint in like in German, so a little pin, and when it turns, actually is exactly here. When it turns the pump and it feeds through the clutch cover case to the chain. It's very nice and easy. One thing I've noticed, and I'll show you on this one. Yeah, so Stihl, they thought they might do a different oiling system for these chainsaws. That's why the plate had a cutout on the crankcase itself, but I think because they discontinued the chainsaw and they turned this chassis into TS 350, then TS 360, then BT 350. That's an earth borer, the thing that you put the posts in the ground. They had actually a streamer, so they've used this engine for loads of applications. It was like a multi-tool, this engine. Quite a clever idea, to be honest. Absolutely spot on design, like a multi-tool kit, you know, but rather than the difference from the multi-tool pack that you find today with, let's say, one body, one and many other functions. This was quality. This was definitely quality. It has the HL carb, easy to work with. So yeah, lovely chainsaw. Nice chain brake works. Yeah, just a nice positive engagement of the chain brake. The rubber on the handle is a little bit loose. I think I'm gonna order some bicycle handlebar wrap and try to wrap it. Never done it. I've seen it, but never done it. It might be okay, might not, might stay, might twist. If not, I'll just tape this with electrical tape and should be all good. It's not that bad, but it's loose on the handle. And yeah, just a nice I insisted on keeping the points on the saw. I have couple of electronic ignitions for this type. I have another 8S, this newer one with 49, that's 60cc, which will follow into the repair soon. Not much to repair on that one other than revise it. I've parked it many years ago, and yeah, so I have to go back and see what was wrong, why I've just left it as it is. So that's pretty much all. Yeah, another old banger, another old Stihl. Yeah, many people don't like this type of chainsaws. They think, oh, they are too old, but well, each to his own. I have new ones, fairly new, yeah, but they'll do the same job in the end. This one works nice, and I can't wait to make a couple of cuts with. Thank you very much, and have a great week. The following one starting tomorrow, and all the best. Take care of yourselves.